Hi there, everybody. This is an unboxing slash review for this tripod phone stand. So this is the stand itself. Comes with this mounting bracket for your phone. It's a little bit hard. Oh, it's fine. It has a remote. So that you can take your pictures or videos. I guess it has a different button for iOS or Android operating systems. And it has the GoPro type attachment. So warranty. These are the different heights, I guess, that you can go to. From 18 inches all the way to 62. And you can also use this as a selfie stick. You can see all that it comes with. And if you're using it as a selfie stick. It also comes with instructions for the remote so that you can use it to take your pictures. So if you're holding it for a selfie, I'm going to use an older phone. Alright, that works. Now you can see your pictures when you take them. Oh, wow, this is going to be long, huh? Here, I need a better angle. Yeah, so you can take a fairly far away selfie shot, so everybody will fit in the picture. So that's pretty cool. And then as for the height, it's going to be it's fairly tall. And then most of the pictures that you'll be taking and videos will be in this 16 by 9 mode for YouTube if you're making YouTube videos. If you're doing anything else and you want to take them portrait, then you just flip it like that. And I think for Pinterest you need like 1x1. Yeah, so you can. It is a little bit heavier when it's so far away at full length. But I don't think you're going to be taking that many selfies that far away unless you want like a lot of stuff in the background or a ton of people in it. Yeah, but I don't know. I think it's kind of cool that you can use a tripod stand to take selfies as well. Just if you want something for like a thumbnail in a video. As far as stability, The further out you have it, the less stable it's going to be, of course, because of the center of gravity. So if this goes further out than the 3 legs on the bottom, it's not that bad. So if it's very windy, I'm sure it should blow away. Yeah, it's pretty stable. Even hitting it. Of course, if you hit it too hard, it's gonna fall down. But I don't know. I like it. I hope you enjoy yours too if you buy it. And have a good day.